Do you want to wow your customers this Valentine's Day? Well, the wonderful Alberto from Sempertex is back, and he shows us 4 techniques to create this amazing Valentine's Day heart. Stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, we have the legend. He's been around for a few years. We've got Alberto today from Sempertex. Hello.
Hello, and thank you to invite me again.
Hey,
it's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, I love having you here. I wasn't trying to call you old. I was just saying you've been around a long time in the balloon industry, therefore you're knowledgeable and experienced, and you've got a lot to share.
But I'm also old. Don't be worried.
I know the feeling.
Yeah.
Anyway, today we're going to make this, aren't we? This amazing Valentine's Day. Well, we're going to show the techniques on how to do this, how to put this together. So, without further ado, over to you, Alberto.
Oh, thank you very much. So, I have used this stand, something similar to this. You can use any kind of stand. What is important is to cover the pole here, and you can use a 260 to do it. Just wrapping around like I'm doing.
So you always start at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, you do that so quickly.
You can start from the top, you can start from the base.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same. It's up to you, and also about the habit. What is important is to squeeze the air to the balloon, and at the same time wrap it around so you can leave the balloon around the pole and you can cover it all.
Perfect.
At the end is enough to deflate the rest of this 260 and just wrap around and make a note. Is more than enough.
You made that look very easy. So that's the first thing.
It is easy, really. It's
with
not
practice.
Is a kind of practice, and then it's easy to do it.
Yeah.
In this case, I cover by using reflex red, like the rest of the composition, so it can be covered, it can be disappear a little bit more.
Perfect. Okay, what's next?
Oh, the next is the base.
Okay.
No, it's a kind of different base. It's not like usually using a round balloon, but this time I will use the 260 to do it.
Yeah.
And it's a technique called cross weaving or crisscross sometimes.
Yeah, cross weaving.
I also learn about. So it's very easy. You have to do 2 bubbles.
Yeah.
In one of the 260, and 2 bubbles the other one with the other one.
Okay.
And then you have 4 bubbles, and you have just to twist together. Okay. And I suggest to twist several times.
Yeah.
And you have to continue, just continue to do this kind of base. I have used 6 260s.
Okay.
So when I finish the first 2, I can continue with 2 more and 2 more again.
So you've done the 2, you've gone all the way down. What are you going to do now?
Yeah, when we finish with the first 2 260, you can add 2 more.
Yeah.
And I just tie them together in this way. I twist exactly here.
Yeah.
And now I deflate this 1 and 2. So I can tie it together, and I continue as I have done previously.
Okay.
So I continue with my bubbles.
Okay.
2 bubbles, 2 bubbles.
And so you use
twist together.
And you use 6 balloons altogether.
Yeah, are like 3 times this.
Okay. So what do we do now? Let's imagine this is finished. What do we do now?
Yeah. When you finished, you have just to wrap it around in this way, creating like a spiral.
Oh, yeah, that's simple, isn't it?
Very simple.
Okay, and then
so
you would
you
carry on
can
round.
cover all the base.
Okay, fantastic. All right, that's great, Alberto. Next bit, I'm guessing, are we moving to the heart?
Yeah, the heart, of course. For the heart, you have to use 260 another time, and exactly you have to inflate by counting the pump.
Okay.
That's very important. The strokes are very important. So with the first one, I inflate with 1-2 pump, and really important is to squeeze it once before to tie together the neck and the final of the 260. So I create this loop. It's a little bit softer because...
That's why you squeeze it, to make it softer. Okay.
And it will be very important in the second part of the technique. Then I can use the same 260, just cut the
end off.
The final, and I can use now again the hand pump and count 5 times.
Okay.
Okay, squeeze like before, and then tie together. So I have 2 loops, 2 strokes, and 5 strokes.
Yeah.
With the second one, I have to do the same. This time I change the number of strokes.
Oh, right,
so are 1, 2, 3, squeeze and tie, and then cut again the final in this way, and I have to count 4 times.
Okay.
Now. Squeeze. It's really important, remember to squeeze, because otherwise it will be very difficult.
Yeah.
So this time I have from 2 to 5.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
So, and now I need more loops, 2 more exactly, with 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah.
Squeeze them, or squeeze it in this case. Tie. And the last one are 7 strokes.
All right, so you're just using a single balloon there, okay.
Yeah, this time, yes.
Or just one end of the balloon.
Yeah, it's not enough long.
Yeah.
And I can tie them together with the necks.
I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued how this is going to work.
Okay, we have 3 doublets of loops, and we can twist them together in the middle, like this.
Okay.
And we have to open this strange flower by following the size. So 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, 6,
and 7.
And 7.
Yeah.
It's not important to have a flower really open. It's important to have the sequence.
Okay.
Okay. And then the technique basically is very easy.
Okay.
So you have to pass the bigger in the smaller.
Okay.
So this is with 3 pumps, and must to pass through the 2 pumps.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
And then 4 to the 3 pumps.
I see. Okay. Yeah.
5
through the 4.
To the 4, through the 4, and then you have to follow the 6, through the 5, and the 7, through the 6.
Okay.
So it looks quite complicated, but is really easy to do.
So that's half the heart.
Yeah, this is half of the heart. Basically, when I create this technique, it was to create wings.
Ah, I see. Okay, yeah, that's great.
This way you can have wings. By the way, this time we will do a heart. So 2 half of the heart.
That's great. I love that technique. So how do we attach it onto here now?
Oh, to tie around here. I started all the time from this point. I need just a piece of 260 uninflated, and I have to just tie here.
Yeah.
And tight and pull, and then I do the same with the second half.
I see. Okay.
Quite easy.
Okay.
And now I can also tie on the top.
Okay. So you do the same there with the 260.
Yeah, I can. Honestly, I will use at the end. I will use the segment of 260 inflated.
I see.
But to fix right now, it's better to use just a piece of 260, just to tie and to fix it. And then we can cut this. We don't use anymore.
So is this the back that you're tying?
This is the back or the front.
Or does it not matter?
Doesn't matter.
Because you're going to hide that, I'm guessing.
Yeah, because I will do the same here with
Okay.
another piece of 260. And then it's easy to work with the gold part.
Yeah, yeah.
So now
That was
the
great.
hearts, it looks better. And you can just, by using 260 reflex gold, just make a small piece, a small bubble.
Yeah.
And must to be exactly the size we need here. So I just tie on the back.
Yeah.
I tie the two parts together as tight as possible.
So that's just to hide the mechanics.
Yeah, no, yeah, I hide the mechanic, but I don't use this mechanic inside.
Oh, you cut it off. I see. Okay.
So I don't have any more.
Because once
the
you've put that
mechanic.
one on there, it holds
Yeah.
it together.
And you do four.
And you do four.
One,
of those.
two, and the two on the back.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
So that's that on the back as
Yeah.
well. So you did the red. You
Yeah,
used red ones
can,
on the
you
back.
can
yeah.
you can use the same color if you prefer. I have done for this to show.
Yeah.
You can have the same color in red, or you can change to create some chromatic effect.
And then the last bit, you just had. We've got two clusters together here. We just need to put those on top of here, don't we? So if we move that there to the middle. Have you got a cluster?
Yeah, just I need the space to put the cluster.
All right.
So here I create the space, and then I need two cluster. The size can be 3 and 4 inch.
Okay.
Is okay. And so I start with the first one, and I tie it as tight as possible to the pole here, to the stem.
Yeah.
And this way is okay. And the second one is on the top.
So you just use the same technique. You just
The
twist
same
around
technique,
the pole.
or I can also use
Pull the neck up. Or
a
something.
neck
Yeah.
of the first cluster, so I can just wrap around and have a strong connection in between. So I have a solid base for the 18 inch I want to put on the top.
And then you would just put the 18 inch on there with the neck and just tie it in with one of the
Yeah,
necks
it's
there.
a piece of 260 uninflated. I tie to the neck of to the valve in this
Yeah.
case, and then
And then
I
just
wrap
pull that in.
around the cluster.
That's fantastic. And then you end up with. Ta-da! That's great. Absolutely love that, Alberto. Thank you so much. And that's really fancy. I think something like that, you're not going to
Yeah,
get
it can
that
be
in a
useful
retail
for
shop.
many occasions. The hearts, as we told, looks very complicated,
Yeah.
very entwined, but at the end it's easy to do.
Now, I totally forgot to remind you, but as a guest, you have to ask everybody a question of the week.
Okay.
So what question would you like to ask everybody? And they'll leave comments down below, hopefully.
Oh, my question about the
Be about anything.
okay, about anything. I think my question is a kind of suggestion also,
Okay.
and is to try to do something like this in your window display, and try to push to your clients. I think that will be very happy. And you can also customize the 18 inch, so you can put the name or something like this. I think is a good sellable piece.
So let's make the question, what would you do to make this your own? That's a
Okay.
good question, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the question.
Leave your comments down below on Facebook and on YouTube. Alberto, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do hit the bell icon and everything. You'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and all the rest of it. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.